Hi guys, I wanted to quickly show you how you can make your own sign-up link or a sign-up link for one of your members. So when you are logged into youngliving.com, go over here to Member Resources and then Link Builder. Okay. All right, and this is by member number for sponsor and enroller, and this right here is the sign-up link. So when somebody would click that link, it would take them to the sign-up page that would allow them to get started with Young Living, auto-populating my member number as enroller and sponsor. So if you wanted to make this for someone else, if you had a member, you would look up their member number in your virtual office, and then you would simply, boom, you can see how those numbers changed down here. Okay, so let's say I am making this now for somebody else or myself, whatever. And that's kind of long and ugly. So you can see when you put it in here, I mean, you could send that to somebody in an email, but that's sort of a long and ugly link. So what you can do is you can go to bit.ly.com. And if you can register for your free account, I'm just going to do this and then you just follow the directions, but it basically would shorten the link, okay? So here, it shortened this link to whatever, bit.ly to Slugas, okay? And that would make it here, okay? So it's shorter, easier to copy and paste. Now, if you log in, let me show you what it will do. You can create, whoops, that's not what I want to do, sorry. I want to do the long one. So if you do a free account, you can paste the ugly one there, and now it customizes here, but you can edit this. So I'm going to have it be sample member. Okay, that's my sample member. Boom. Okay, so you might put somebody's name, right? You might put bit.ly/Jane Doe. Okay, so now you've got sample member. Now when they go, it's going to make me log out because I'm logged in. You can see that the sign up area is auto-populated with the member number. Yeah, and that's okay. I'm using Mary Slight as the example. And there you go. They can get started with you, and that way they would get started with the correct account. So if super simple to make your link in Link Builder and then shorten it or make one for your member.